I'm Mitch Couch with GoodlyEarth.com, and you're watching Hometalk. Basically, just start with 2 pool noodles, and what we're going to do, put some hot glue on the ends here. We've got to make sure these stay nice and tight to each other. So join those 2 at the end just like this. Take some white duct tape, and we're going to put this on here. So that's going to hold it together along with the glue. And you're going to leave that on there. Go ahead and start at one end over here. Grab your tape, and it's not too critical, and I'll tell you why later. But you take your tape, start right there at the end, and you're going to go with not a 45-degree angle when you start wrapping it, but pretty much like a 60-degree. You want to get some territory on this when you start wrapping it. I grabbed this tape from the Dollar Tree, and it's going to be able to wrap the whole thing for you. Twist and tape all the way down to the end. This roll should be able to do the whole thing. If you get off a little bit, just reposition it. So what I'm going to do is get all the way to the end, and we'll be back in just a little bit. Now that we've got our noodle wrapped, what we're going to do is go back to the beginning, and we're going to run about 2 good glue strips here of hot glue about 6 inches in. And then what you're going to do is right at the 6-inch mark, go ahead and squeeze this over just like this. And we're going to join these 2 pieces together. The most important part is you've got to hold this down while you're working on it. So now that you've got it held down, then what you're going to do is about right here, run another set of glue just like that. Now, when I fold it over, if it's not enough glue, you can just go ahead right here and stick some more in. Just like that. There we go. The whole key to this is holding it while you do it. We're going to continue along the whole thing, running glue and folding it over. And we're going to do this all the way to the end. Just like this. Going to need some more glue. Just keep rolling it all the way to the end. Once we get to the end, what we're going to do is put the last bit of glue on there. And we will roll it up. Now, the important part is you're going to grab yourself some rubber bands. Once we get that first rubber band on, go ahead and put one more just for safe measures. We're going to let this sit for about 5 minutes, and then we'll come back and I'll show you how we're going to finish it up. Okay, after about 5 minutes, we can go ahead and take the rubber bands off, and it will hold just like this. Next, what we want to do is take a pair of scissors, and right next to where the end is of the pool noodle, we're going to go ahead and puncture it. Make like a cross. The farther in you can go, the better. So you stick it, stab it in just like that. Turn it 90 degrees. Go in one more time just like that. Just grab some hot glue again. And what you're gonna, right here, just fill the hole with hot glue. And just put your stick right in there. Perfect. And that's gonna hold just wonderful. Next, I went to the dollar store and grabbed a cellophane bag. I actually got 2 of these for $1. And you'll stick the whole project right inside just like this. And then we're gonna bunch it up at the bottom. I got some ribbon that I pre-cut. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it in ribbon. And when we come back, I'll show you the final project. And there it is, our final project. What a great outdoor decor it is. It's waterproof and it looks great. We made each one of these for less than $5, and it spruces up your yard just in time for the holidays. We thank you for watching, and we can't wait to see you again on Hometalk.